There are a couple of ways you can run AdSense on dynamic allocation. But first, let's discuss what dynamic allocation is. AdSense will compete in your inventory, and if it can pay the highest bid or CPM rate for a given ad request, it will win the auction and will serve the ad. One option to run it on dynamic allocation is enabling it on your ad unit settings. So when I open my ad unit here, under Inventory, Ad Units, you scroll down and you're going to see a section that says AdSense. And then all you need to do is enable or tick this box right here. The AdSense account or logins that you use to set up your Google Ad Manager account is going to be the same account that will run. Once that's set, you can go ahead and click on Save. And this ad unit now will run AdSense on dynamic allocation. One advantage in doing this option is it simplifies the process. You just go ahead and tick it in here and AdSense takes care of the rest. The disadvantage, however, is that you don't have any control on frequency capping, geo-targeting, device targeting, which is something you can do if you do it on the line item settings. And that brings me to the next option, which is of course doing it in the line item level. Here's a sample order. And let's say we're creating an AdSense line item. The line item type that you should use is AdSense. Now this option is not going to show up here unless you have AdSense linked with your Google Ad Manager account. To do that, you need to go to Admin Linked Accounts. Under the AdSense tab, click on New AdSense Link. For the web property code, you need to go to your AdSense account, go to Account, Settings, grab your pub ID, give it a name. This is arbitrary. You can name it any way you want. Contact email is optional. You can skip that. But for the zip code, you need to grab the address that is associated with your AdSense account, which you can find under Payments, Manage Settings, and it's right here under Payments Profile. Once that's done, just click on Save. Initially, it will say here not associated. You go back to your AdSense account, go to Account, Access and Authorization, Third Parties. And this is where you will activate that linking request. Once that's done, status here will change to active. Then you're ready to create your line item. Choose AdSense as your line item type. Set up the rest of your settings as necessary. So in the line item, you can decide start time, end time, frequency caps, days and time, target specific inventory, geos, device, operating system, and a whole lot more. All these controls you can do when you do it on the line item level. As soon as you hit save here, you're going to have to go back to your AdSense account, create your tags, upload here in Google Ad Manager, and you're done. In the line item, you will notice that there is no option as well to specify or manually change priorities or CPM rates. That is because, again, that's how dynamic allocation works. It will run and compete against the other line items in your inventory, and if it can pay the highest bid for that ad request, this line item will serve the ad. Here's a sample creative that we uploaded behind an AdSense line item. If you notice, the format is different from the one that you generated from AdSense. You can try to copy the code snippet and upload it as a creative in your line item. And if Google Ad Manager shows an error, you will have to follow this format here exactly. You just need to change the pub ID and the slot ID, the width and the height. On your tag, you can find that in here. Here's your pub ID, here's your slot ID, and of course, here's your width and here's your height. So you choose which route you would like to take. Ad unit level, more simplified, easier setup, but no control. Line item level, it takes a bit of time or a few steps to finish setting it up, but you have more control.